Can I switch from an annual payment to a monthly payment for Roblox Premium?
Hello, Roblox enthusiasts! Are you currently on an annual payment plan for Roblox Premium but want to switch to a monthly plan instead? You're in the right place. Today, we will be exploring how to switch from an annual to a monthly payment for Roblox Premium.
Understanding the Roblox Premium subscription.
First things first, let's get a quick understanding of what Roblox Premium is. Roblox Premium is a subscription service offered by Roblox that awards users with a monthly Robux allowance and a variety of other benefits. You have the choice of opting for a monthly or an annual subscription.
Can I switch from an annual to a monthly payment plan?
So, to answer your question, yes, you can switch from an annual payment to a monthly payment for Roblox Premium. However, please note that the switch will not take effect until your current annual subscription ends.
How to switch to a monthly plan?
The process of switching to a monthly plan is fairly straightforward. 1. First, cancel your current annual subscription. You can do this by going to your account settings, navigating to billing, and then selecting Cancel Renewal. 2. Once your current annual subscription has ended, simply sign up again for Roblox Premium, but this time select the monthly payment option. It's important to remember that canceling your current subscription will not result in immediate termination of your benefits. You'll still enjoy all your Roblox Premium benefits until the end of your annual subscription period. And there you have it. That's how you can switch your Roblox Premium subscription from an annual to a monthly payment plan. Just remember, you will need to wait until your current annual subscription ends to initiate the switch. I hope this video has been helpful in addressing your queries. Keep enjoying your time on Roblox and happy gaming!